with a typical day at our school. We have two shifts, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. One in the morning starts at 7:30 and one in the afternoon starts at 1:30. We have breaks which last either 5 or 10 minutes. 8th and 7th graders to take 7 to 8 classes, while 5th and 6th graders take 5 to 6 classes a day. We have noticed that a lot of students in our school spend their breaks on their phones, which can actually really bad affect their mental health and their concentration in school. So we have asked our classmates what do they think about breaks in our school, and the most common response was that they are too short, so they can do things like change for their clothes for PE, or just like concentrate on the subject that we have next. This brings us to the conclusion that we need longer breaks, which we cannot accomplish because of the COVID measures and everything else that is going on right now. Sadly, as I was saying, we can do that. But how can our classmates concentrate on their subject when we can't have enough physical activity? Well, the answer is brain gym.
To see if brain gym actually works, we have challenged ourselves to do it each school break for 5 days. There was only one rule: no phones are allowed on the break, and the researchers have proved that brain gym improves brain function and helps balancing daily stress. It can also help with things like autism, ADD, ADHD, and even self-confidence and some other special needs of adults and children. On the day one, we thought it was going to be easy, but unfortunately it wasn't. But of course, it got easier with time, and once you get the hang of it, it gets much more fun. Now, since we weren't alone in this challenge, here's a comment from one student. We had a test. We were anxious, so we weren't concentrated. That's why we did these exercises. They improved our concentration. Here you can see how some students are spending their school breaks while still in the challenge. These boys are playing with a paper ball, and someone over there is reading. Now here you can see one really hard exercise, and it was done by our friend Hannah. And to do it, you have to move one of your hands in a line like this and snap at the end, and the other in the shape of a triangle and snap at the end. And now you do it like this at the same time. Now again with the student comments. Student number 1. This was a nice experience. It made us pay more attention to small details, and we realized there is so much going on around us while we mindlessly stare at our screens. Student number 2. Reduced nail biting, skin picking, and other bad habits. Student number 3. For the last few days, school and learning in general has felt less stressful. If you would like to enjoy some of these nice benefits, you should try brain gym too. Thank you very much. Do you have any questions?